We are the Bradfords, and this is Willard. Willard's our English Bulldog. He is 7 years old. His hobbies include laying on softies,
Daddy.
obviously being handsome. Come from this end, he's got what we call a cinnabon, rump shaker. He's pretty much allergic to everything. He's definitely got some sweetness in him. He enjoys tearing pickets off of the fence to go visit all of his friends in other yards. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and he'll occasionally run in somebody else's house. Definitely likes to be scratched. And occasionally he likes to let gas out, as they can pretty much all attest to. Matter of fact, we thought about renaming him to Darren O-Ring.